Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is Black Friday. What sales have you guys been shopping? Anyways, today I'm doing a review and unboxing of this Model Ones kit that they sent me to review for you guys, and I actually do a mani. So this kit comes with 6 dip powders. It comes with a set of liquids, a duster brush, and some extra replacement brushes. It comes in this nice travel case, so you can put everything back when you're done if you need to, or whatever you choose. You can toss it if you want to or not. There's some extra brushes like I just told you, and this fluffy duster brush, which comes in handy for swatching. So the case actually has instructions in it, so if you're new to dipping, reading instructions is so crucial. If you don't like written instructions, I recommend watching YouTube videos on how to do dip nails. But when I first started, I relied on written instructions. So I'm going to go and unbox every single jar and swatch them for you guys so you guys can see what they look like. The very first color that I'm swatching, they actually aren't named. They only have numbers. This one is numbered, a bunch of numbers, and ends in 000. The following one is 001, 002, and so on and so forth. So this is actually a clear powder, and when I activated it and finished swatching, it wasn't that clear. It was a pretty cloudy, grainy clear. The next color is a white dip powder. It almost looked like it had a blue tint to it when I was recording, but when I used it on my nail, it was completely white and fine. It's not like a super stark white though. This one's definitely easier to work with than the Revel Nail Veronica White. This third color in this kit is a peachy pink color. It's very simple. I do want to note that I personally do not like the Model Ones liquids. I don't really have a liking for plastic bottles. They're just too light. They tip over. Thank goodness I have a bottle holder, but if I didn't have one, you'd have to be very diligent about it not tipping over. Also, this color was a BITCH to buff out. This other color is my favorite one in the entire kit set, whatever you want to call this. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. It is very pretty. I used this one, the white one, and another color for my manicure that you'll see later on. It's stunning. This color alone made having the entire kit totally worth it. You can see right here just how gorgeous it is, and you can see it compared to my nail to see how accurate the glitter is. I also didn't buff it, so that would probably help with the accuracy. Anyways, the next color is this one's gorgeous too. I thought this was white or off-white or something. It is a glitter. It is a translucent, shimmery, iridescent gorgeousness in a jar. I love it. So back to why I don't like the Model Ones liquids. They're thick. I don't like how thick the liquids are, and they take forever to dry, I think because of their thickness. Anyways, you can see how gorgeous this powder is. This one and the previous glitter just completely stole my heart and is the main reason why I love this kit. And this final color is a dark mauve. I also put this one on my nails. It is stunning. My only gripe about this color is after I activated it, it kind of muddied the color. So it looks prettier without activator. It looks muddier with activator, and I'll show you compared to my nail how it looks after it's buffed. It just doesn't look 100% the same. My nail looks a little more grayed out. It just didn't keep its true color, which kind of bugs me. So here are all the colors right next to each other. I feel as a beginner starter kit, if you're a company creating starter kits, take from this. This is a gorgeous starter kit. It has a huge range in just 6 colors, and there's some gorgeous, subtle, simple glitters in it. So these are the 3 colors I'm going to be using today. I haven't even top coated them. I'm not going to be using the Model Ones liquids. I'm going to use Triple D's dip liquids. I just don't like Model Ones liquids. The bottles are lightweight. They tip over. They're a pain in the butt, and triple Ds are so much thinner. So I like thinner applications so I can do more dips without it bulking up on me. So I'm applying this dark color on both my pinky and my index finger. I'm going to apply the glitter to my ring finger and the white color to my middle finger. I was thinking about stamping something on the middle white finger, but I opted out for it, like not to do it, because I don't know, I don't feel like pulling all my stamping stuff out today, you know? I'm just not in the mood. So the glitter color is a nice, shimmery, easy to work with glitter. Like, it's not chunky. And for beginners, I feel like these type of glitters are amazing to work with. They hide your flaws. You can't really see where you've misshapen or if it's lumpy or bumpy because glitter just like sits so smooth, in my opinion, compared to solid dip powders. So I'm going to go ahead and do another round of dipping on all of these nails, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Hi. So I'm dusting everything off. I recommend using a denser dusting brush other than those fluffy ones. The fluffy ones don't really work. You can contaminate your base and your activator, and it just sucks. So I'm using actually a toothbrush. I got a pack of 4 from the Dollar Tree. I find that they get in like the nooks and crannies better than the nail brushes do. So I'm activating all of my nails and doing that whole shebang. After I activate them, I actually go wash my hands. I used to not, but I started doing it lately just to get any extra powder that might be all on my skin or in my cuticle areas off before I start top coating. So now that my nails are all top coated, I definitely have to apply some cuticle oil. This is like pre-cuticle oil. But I'm just loving this new shape. I reshaped my nails recently. You saw it in my last video. I love it. So I definitely have to reshape my right hand. So I do plan on doing a whole video on me reshaping my right hand with my non-dominant hand. You guys asked for it in my last video, so that's going to come soon. Like, even as I'm doing this voiceover, I still haven't done the shaping. So don't worry, it's coming soon. It's going to happen. I pinky promise. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great holiday weekend. Bye!